Good morning and welcome to another one of our short videos on this horrendous rainy December day. Just a couple of days before Christmas we're shooting this. I couldn't let this truck go out without making a short video. Whether you follow us because you love car audio or you follow us because you love cars, it's going to tick both the boxes. It's the new 2019 Ford Raptor and it's a total beast of a car, finished in grey. You can't not love that, can you? So, we've added quite a hi-fi system to this. So I'm going to take you inside the car. I don't want to get it wet, but we're fully soundproofed front doors and back doors with our 3-layer soundproofing system. Inside, I'm going to jump in. Oh, it's nasty out there. We've added the Hertz H8 processor. So there's the DRC controller. So we use that to adjust the level of the sub bass and also to change the time alignment settings. We've kept the original hedge in it, obviously, and we've integrated to that using the Hertz H8 DSP. We've used Audison Voce front components and a huge amount of soundproofing, and then we've used Audison Prima in the rear. The system's driven from 2 JL Audio amplifiers. The front end's active and runs off a JL Audio XD 404. The subwoofer, which I'm going to show you in a second, runs off a JL Audio XD 601, so there's a lot of power in this vehicle. It's really tight and punchy, the sound quality is amazing, the sound stage is incredible, it's right up here. I can't demonstrate that to you, unfortunately, you have to take my word for it. Or come and listen to one of our demo cars where we demonstrate DSP. Let me show you the jewel in the crown, which is the custom subwoofer we've built underneath the rear seat. So here we've installed a JL Audio W3 8-inch woofer. It's a killer speaker. The output for the size of it is just unbelievable. So it's a complete fiberglass enclosure that makes use of the space underneath the floor there. We've got exactly the right cubic capacity for that subwoofer, and the enclosure is so rigid. We've completely soundproofed all of the floor pan underneath here to make sure there's no resonance, etc. So there you go. The new Raptor, you see there's no space behind the back seats, so you've got to get everything underneath there. There's not a lot of room to play with, but we've managed to do it, and the results are absolutely stunning. I can't wait to hand this car over. Just waiting for Steve to arrive. Should be here within the next hour or so. Better dry his seat off quickly. One last look at this incredible Raptor. There you go. Merry Christmas, everybody.